right, done. Make sure your name is on it, okay, and then fold it. Fold it in half. Make sure you write it, doctor, and then fold it in half. If it was that. If that wasn't, then fold it in profession. Make sure your name is on it, on the top of it. Now, does anybody have any questions on what we'll be doing today? Yes.
What is there anything that no one knows about you?
If there's not anything that no one knows about you, then tell me something that they do. Okay? If there's not anything that they don't know, tell me something that they do. Yes. Could be anything. Could be something about your life. It could be and something about a relative. Okay? It could be anything. Anything that you want it to be. This is your time to use your creative minds at work. All right? Remember, on the second sheet, you'll be folding it in half or the profession that you want to become, whatever it is. Anybody?
On paper, or do you want us to type it out?
Yes, on paper. On paper. Just be on two separate sheets of paper. Only two. Anybody else?